In a world brimming with interactions and exchanges, instances of disrespect can puncture our emotional armor and disrupt our equilibrium. The sting of disrespectful words or actions can provoke strong reactions within us, leading to conflict, distress, and a sense of indignation. However, what if there were a timeless philosophy that could serve as a guiding light through these tumultuous moments? Enter Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy that offers profound insights into how we can navigate life's challenges with grace, resilience, and unwavering composure. Stoicism, which emerged around 300 BCE, provides a robust framework for cultivating inner strength, wisdom, and virtue to achieve a state of tranquility regardless of external circumstances. At its core, Stoicism encourages individuals to focus on what is within their control and to accept with equanimity what is not. This fundamental principle, known as the dichotomy of control, forms the bedrock of Stoic thought and is particularly pertinent when it comes to dealing with disrespect. In this article, we will delve into 10 powerful Stoic lessons on how to handle disrespect effectively. By understanding and applying these principles, individuals can navigate disrespectful situations with poise, dignity, and an unwavering commitment to their principles. Number 1. Recognize the external nature of disrespect. Stoicism teaches us that disrespect is external. It is not a reflection of our intrinsic worth or value as individuals. When someone speaks or acts disrespectfully towards us, it is crucial to remember that their words and actions are beyond our control. Rather than internalizing the disrespect and allowing it to diminish our self-esteem, Stoicism encourages us to view it as an external event, a passing storm that cannot penetrate the fortress of our inner tranquility. Number 2. Cultivate inner calm and equanimity. In the face of disrespect, our natural inclination may be to react impulsively with anger, frustration, or hurt. However, Stoicism advocates for cultivating inner calm and equanimity, even amidst the storm of disrespectful behavior. By practicing mindfulness and self-awareness, individuals can learn to pause, reflect, and respond to disrespect with reason and wisdom, rather than succumbing to the tempest of their emotions. Number 3. Practice empathy and understanding. Disrespect often stems from the insecurities, frustrations, or struggles of the individuals perpetrating it. Stoicism teaches us to practice empathy and understanding towards those who disrespect us, recognizing that their behavior may be a reflection of their own inner turmoil. By adopting a compassionate perspective, individuals can respond to disrespect with kindness and compassion, diffusing tensions and fostering mutual understanding. Number 4. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of focusing on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and responses, rather than fixating on external circumstances or the behavior of others. When confronted with disrespect, individuals can channel their energy into maintaining their composure, upholding their values, and responding with dignity and integrity. Number 5. Engage in self-reflection and growth. Disrespectful encounters provide valuable opportunities for self-reflection and personal growth. Stoicism encourages individuals to reflect on their own behavior and responses, seeking lessons and insights that can contribute to their development as individuals. By embracing constructive criticism, even when delivered disrespectfully, individuals can glean valuable nuggets of wisdom and strive towards continuous improvement. Number 6. Maintain self-respect and integrity. In the face of disrespect, it is essential to maintain one's self-respect and integrity. Stoicism teaches us that our worth as individuals is not contingent upon the opinions or judgments of others, but is derived from our adherence to our principles and values. By standing firm in our convictions, setting boundaries, and refusing to compromise our integrity, we uphold our dignity and self-worth. Number 7. Respond with politeness and professionalism. While disrespect may tempt us to respond in kind, Stoicism advocates for responding with politeness and professionalism. By taking the high road and extending basic respect to those who mistreat us, individuals demonstrate their strength of character and commitment to their principles. However, this does not mean tolerating or condoning disrespectful behavior, but rather asserting oneself with firmness and fairness. Number 8. Recognize the limitations of seeking external validation. Stoicism cautions against seeking external validation or approval as a measure of one's worth or value. When confronted with disrespect, individuals should remember that their intrinsic worth is not dependent on the opinions or judgments of others. By cultivating a strong sense of self and internalizing their own value, individuals can navigate disrespectful situations with confidence and self-assurance. Number 9. Choose forgiveness and let go of resentment. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing and moving forward in the face of disrespect. Stoicism teaches us to let go of resentment and negative emotions that only serve to weigh us down. By choosing forgiveness, individuals free themselves from the chains of anger and bitterness, reclaiming their peace of mind and emotional well-being. Number 10. Embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth. Finally, Stoicism encourages individuals to embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Disrespectful encounters, while challenging, can serve as catalysts for personal development and resilience. By viewing adversity through the lens of Stoic philosophy, individuals can cultivate resilience, fortitude, and inner strength in the face of life's inevitable challenges. In conclusion, Stoicism offers a treasure trove of wisdom and practical guidance for navigating disrespectful encounters with grace, resilience, and unwavering integrity. By internalizing the 10 Stoic lessons outlined in this article, individuals can cultivate inner peace, uphold their values, and emerge stronger and more resilient in the face of life's adversities. As the ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus famously remarked, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." May these Stoic lessons serve as a beacon of light and inspiration for all those navigating the choppy waters of disrespect in their lives.